Okay, so you have given this helicopter template. On this template, you can see there are two kinds of lines, dot lines and dashed lines. All you have to do, you have to cut on the dot lines and fold from the dashed lines. Okay, so number one is already done for you. So all you have to do, you have to cut from number 2 because it's a dot line and stop here. Then you will make a cut on 3 because it's also a dot line. Then second number 3, another dot line, make a cut. Right? That's it. That's the job done for your scissors. Now, from the dash lines, if you look at the dash lines, you have to fold from here. So first of all, you are going to fold from this number 4. Then you're going to fold from another number 4. Okay. And then from this number 5, you are going to make this kind of tail at the back, fold it back, and then stop it with a paper clip. That's your tail done. Okay, so that's the body of your helicopter. Now at number 6, there is another dash line. You have to fold from here, but in opposite ways. So this is your first blade, and then opposite side towards you, the second blade. If you look at this now, this is your helicopter.